Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the network and app choices that let casting work. Turn on your Quest 3 and your Samsung TV, then confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open Oculus Home and go to Settings to allow casting. This authorizes the headset to send video. On the TV, switch to the Smart View or Cast Input so it's listening. Once done, you're ready to initiate a cast from the headset, so don't delay, proceed to the Cast menu. You now initiate the actual cast. Press the Oculus button, choose Share, then Cast, and scan the list for your Samsung TV name, select it. The TV usually shows a prompt asking to accept the incoming stream, confirm it. This sets up the connection and you'll see a casting indicator in your headset. If the TV does not appear, open the Oculus mobile app, select Devices, and initiate a cast from the phone to the TV instead. This often discovers you finish by optimizing and validating the display. Make sure background apps are closed on the Quest 3 to reduce lag, and close other Wi-Fi heavy devices. If audio is out of sync or the image stutters, lower the streaming resolution in Oculus settings or restart the headset and TV to clear transient issues. One reliable troubleshooting step is to restart your router and reconnect both devices if the TV still refuses. Toggle the TV's Smart View off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.